What's up, guys? Fall is here. So we're walking up my driveway and we're gonna do a quick pumpkin carving on my giant pumpkin because it's almost Halloween, a couple days till Halloween, and it's about to get really cold. So see, I have the pumpkin up here on the top of my driveway as a little promotion for my YouTube channel, because look, I already spun it a little bit, but here, I moved my signs, but check out my signs. So see, I'm promoting. So there's my pumpkin. It's happily displayed. I usually have it turned a different way, but I think I'm gonna actually carve the back side of it. I've never carved a giant pumpkin before, but it can't be that hard. So I got these, I already have these clay sculpting tools, like metal edge. We should be able to scrape right into it and sculpt some kind of face into it because they're really thick, so you don't carve all the way through it to the inside. You can kind of sculpt it by, you know, taking layers off of it. You know what I'm saying? So I'll just do some kind of face. It's kind of rainy out. It might start raining. It's gonna get cold, so I'm gonna do this quick. I'll put you guys on a tripod and then I'll speed up the video as I'm carving. There we go. All right, I think I'm done. Ooh, that looks good. Better from this angle, all right? So yeah, it's just like an old dude with his eyes closed, just kind of snoring or sitting, you know, grinning. I don't know. Maybe he's dead. An old dead guy's face. But just from the, you know, the top teeth up. So let's see. It's pretty cool, but I'll tell you why. One reason I had to stop is my tools are breaking. Let me see. You can kind of smooth them by going like this. So that's why you'll see me rubbing them a lot. So you can kind of smooth and wipe off all the little frays, and it gets kind of smooth. Look at, he's cool. See, he's got little teeth, but they're very slanted in because you have to work with the shape of the pumpkin, you know. That's pretty good for my first giant carving. Look at this. This is broke, so this was just spinning. And here's my other one that I was using. Look, oh, junk. So these were not meant, they're meant for clay, you know. Yay, at least I got done. Okay, let me spin them around. I don't know, I'll have to hook it up to my car and I'll spin them around so people can see the face from the road. And then after Halloween, we will cut it open and get the seeds out. Alrighty, see you guys later. Bye. Whoa, that looked weird. It's changing the exposure. Ooh, I'll have to get a good angle for a thumbnail. Look at this angle. Yeah. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one when we get the seeds out. I hope there's like 500 seeds. Bye-bye. Bye.